People often think royal guards only stand watch, but when this guard noticed tourists had left their empty bottles behind, he quietly picked them up, bagged them, and threw them away, without expecting any praise.
Getting out of her wheelchair wasn't easy, but this elderly woman was determined to give the royal guard's horse a special treat. The horse's gentle response made the moment unforgettable. This disabled girl dreamed of taking a photo with the royal guard. Instead of making her struggle, the guard moved his horse closer so she could have the perfect picture. It was a small gesture that meant the world to her. When this woman reached out to pet a royal guard's horse, another tourist quickly warned her not to. But what the royal guard said next surprised everyone watching.
You can touch the horse. I said you can touch the horse. It's my horse. I make rules. I'm you. Move on, please.
Excuse me, can I ask you what year you was a horse guard?
1953.
1953. Oh my God, how long since you've been back here? How long has it been since you returned?
I've been on and off. I live in London.
This elderly man once proudly served as a royal guard. Years later, he returned, wearing a smile and carrying an old photo of himself in uniform, capturing new moment that he will never forget. At first, it looked like this royal guard simply whispered something to the soldier beside him. Seconds later, the chain was moved aside, and everyone finally understood why. The woman standing there was his own mother, and he wanted her to have a photo she'd treasure forever. This young girl walked up to the royal guard, whispered a few words, and handed him a tiny note. Nobody expected him to smile, but the moment he did, her face lit up with joy. This little boy proudly saluted the royal guard, but at first, it seemed like he hadn't noticed. Then, just as the boy was about to give up, the royal guard raised his sword and returned the salute, creating a moment he'll never forget. The police asked everyone to step back so this woman in a wheelchair could get closer to the royal guard. Then the guard quietly guided his horse toward her, making sure she got the perfect photo and a memory she'll cherish forever. When this female officer noticed the royal guard, she quietly walked over and respectfully offered him a bottle of water, a small act of kindness that touched everyone's heart. When this tourist reached out to pet the royal guard's horse, she expected to be shouted at, but instead, the royal guard responded with kindness, leaving everyone around him pleasantly surprised. This little boy proudly marched up to the royal guard and gave him a perfect salute. Without hesitation, the royal guard returned the salute, creating a memory the young boy will never forget. Everyone watched in confusion as this woman walked over and tucked a 10-pound note beneath the royal guard's boot. The touching reason behind her gesture made the moment unforgettable. This mother and daughter thought giving the royal guard a kiss would be easy until they realized just how tall he was. The hilarious moment that followed had everyone laughing. Watching their son stand proudly as a royal guard was already an unforgettable moment, but when the horse warmly responded to his mother's gentle touch, it made the reunion even more special. The royal guard had been standing in the scorching sun for hours. Then a female officer quietly approached with a bottle of water, creating a heartwarming moment that people won't forget. Curious and innocent, this little boy softly tapped the royal guard on the back. Instead of ignoring him, the guard responded with a gentle smile that made the moment unforgettable. This blind little boy proudly walked up to the royal guard and gave him a salute. Without hesitation, the royal guard returned the salute, creating a beautiful moment of respect the little boy will never forget. These tourists thought it would be funny to mock the royal guard while he was on duty. Knowing the guard couldn't respond, one brave woman stepped in and firmly told them to back away, putting an end to the disrespect. Without warning, this royal guard collapsed in the middle of his duties. Instead of staying down, he stood back up and carried on until medical staff finally stepped in, a remarkable display of commitment.
This little girl wrote a heartfelt note for the royal guard, but when it was time to hand it to him, she was terrified he'd shout at her. Instead, the guard quietly accepted the note, turning her fear into a smile she'll never forget.
As this royal guard stepped out on patrol, two girls stopped him with a simple request. They nervously asked for a photo, and instead of walking away, he kindly agreed. The moment they realized it, they rushed into position with huge smiles on their faces. Before taking a photo with the royal guard, this young girl politely bowed her head as a sign of respect. After the picture, she bowed once again, leaving everyone touched by her beautiful manners. After the picture was taken, this Japanese woman bowed, leaving everyone touched by her kindness and humility. This guy also bows his head to the royal guard, and the girl beside followed by bowing too, reminding everyone that true respect never goes unnoticed. This little boy started copying the royal guard's marching steps, hoping to get his attention. Instead of staying completely serious, the royal guard played along, creating a heartwarming moment the little boy will never forget. If these heartwarming royal moments made you smile, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more uplifting stories, and tell us in the comments which moment was your favorite.